With this single AI tool, you can unlock an incredible range of creative possibilities using a single tool. It allows you to generate ultra-realistic images with hundreds of trained models. Add elements to images using simple prompts. Change facial expressions with presets. Stylize your sketches or photos into entirely new looks, and much more. Today, we're reviewing OpenArt Ai, a powerful image generator and editor, and exploring its features step by step to show you how they work. You can find the link to the tool in the description below. When you visit OpenArt Ai's landing page, you'll immediately notice 3 prominent buttons to get started. To begin, we'll explore the Create Image feature, which provides access to a variety of AI-powered tools. Once you enter image generation mode, the first step is selecting a style from the Custom Settings drop-down menu. OpenArt Ai offers 3 main modes to choose from: Vibrant Fantasy, General Anime Style, and Photorealistic Portraits. For this demonstration, we'll go with the Photorealistic Portrait style. After selecting your style, the next step is to choose an AI-trained model. Each model is designed to specialize in a specific type of image. For photorealistic portraits, the Flux Dev model is the ideal choice. Once the model is selected, it's time to craft your prompt. OpenArt Ai conveniently preloads a sample script to guide you, but you also have the option to write your own. For example, let's create a scene of a businesswoman standing on a busy New York street, carrying a camera with a big lens, cinematic, ultra-realistic. After writing your prompt, you can enhance it using the Quick Enhance tool or other advanced options like the Image to Prompt feature. If you choose Image to Prompt, you can upload an image, and OpenArt will generate a detailed description based on that image. Whether you use an enhanced version or stick with your custom text, you can now proceed to the next step. Here, you'll select an output size from the aspect ratio drop-down menu, such as landscape, vertical, or custom dimensions. You'll also decide how many images you want to generate. With everything set, hit the Create button, and within moments, OpenArt will produce stunning, realistic images based on your input. If you want to match a specific pose in your generated image, OpenArt has you covered. Simply upload a pose reference image, and the tool will recreate the pose in your new image with remarkable accuracy. Another exciting feature is called inpaint, which lets you make precise edits to an image. For instance, let's say you want to add glasses to a character. All you need to do is mark the area where the glasses should appear using the brush tool, write your prompt, choose the general quality model, and click Create. OpenArt will generate 2 options with your specified changes, and the results are impressive. Similarly, you can add details like logos by marking the area, describing your desired change, and generating the result. If you need to expand an image, OpenArt's Expand feature is incredibly useful. You can set a desired width and height, or choose a preset size, describe what you want added to the image, and let the tool seamlessly extend the background or composition. OpenArt also offers a Stylize feature that allows you to transform any image into a specific art style. Simply upload an image to the canvas, and if needed, you can add multiple images, similar to working in Adobe Illustrator. Choose the image you want to stylize, select an art style, provide a description if needed, set the number of outputs, and hit Create. In seconds, OpenArt generates beautifully stylized versions of your image. The face editing feature is another standout. This tool allows you to adjust facial expressions effortlessly. With just a click, you can make a face look happy, sleepy, frowning, winking, or any other expression. You can also create custom expressions by adjusting various settings to get the exact look you need. One of the most innovative features is the Find and Replace tool, which allows you to replace specific elements in your image. For example, Let's say you want to replace a camera with a cat. Simply type camera in the search bar, type cat in the replace bar, and click Create. OpenArt will replace the camera with a cat seamlessly. If the change introduces minor artifacts, such as issues with hand positioning, you can use the Edit People tool to correct it. Mark the problem area with the brush, describe the fix, and generate a corrected version. This ensures that even small details look perfect. While OpenArt AI is not entirely free, it provides 40 free credits for you to explore its features. If you enjoy the tool, you can upgrade to their affordable starter plan, which includes plenty of credits to continue generating and editing images. Even if you use my coupon code, Let's Design, you will get 20% off on any plan. Make sure to find the link to OpenArt AI in the description below. And that's all for today's video. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.